Financial education imparts the most important life skills a person can have. BFIN is therefore established with the aim of developing human capital under the Company Act 2063 on August 14, 2018. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. As to the vision of the establishment of this institute, Dr. Binod Atreya, the MD of BFIN, says,
"Our vision is to be a pioneer institute for developing human resources in the banking, finance and insurance sector of Nepal."
Inaugurated by then Chief Secretary of Ministry of Finance, BFIN has established its image to be a pioneer training institute in Nepal and has conducted training in Bangladesh, India, Thailand, Hong Kong, Australia, and Philippines. BFIN now plans to expand its network in Dubai, Europe, Africa, and America in future. Domestically, BFIN has conducted trainings in all geographical destinations, offering opportunities to the officials to attend programs. The strength of BFIN is in its promoters. Research and development are an important part of BFIN activities. BFIN research is visible through publications. Within the short period of time, BFIN has been successful in expanding its international linkages and collaborate together in training, research, and consulting for benefits of banking community. This expansion of international linkages has enabled to organize international conferences inviting professionals from the regions. BFIN organizes conferences to impart knowledge on current contemporary issues benefiting the community. In series, BFIN has conducted conferences on National Conference on Banks and Financial Institutions, Emerging Challenges, Opportunities and Threats, International Conference on Transformation of Human Capital for a Digital World, Annual Risk Management Conference, Conference on Fortifying Financial Services from the Cyber Threats, MFI's Board of Directors and Management Consortium 2019. This conference on leadership development for the new normal plans to discuss the impacts of COVID-19 in the financial sector, innovation and risk of digital transformation and governance, and the way to strive ahead in the competitive global market. Here is what former Governor of Bangladesh has to say about BFIN and the conference.
Let me congratulate BFIN for organizing this year's conference. The conference is on leadership in the financial sector. Indeed, leadership matters. The financial sector in our region actually has to be developmental and also more humane, because we need to touch the ground and improve the lot of the many, not a few. And I thought this conference will focus on the human skills, particularly in the context of this digital era. We'll have to change and adjust to the new normal of digital era. So I thought this conference will bring in a lot of insights from the leaders of the region and also from within Nepal.
Now here is what the former Governor of India has to say about BFIN.
A competent, efficient and productive financial sector is critical for Nepal to realize its aspiration of rapid growth and poverty reduction. It's in this context that BFIN is doing a great job training finance sector personnel, conducting research in finance, so that Nepal's financial sector is future ready. My congratulations to BFIN for all its accomplishments over the last few years, and my best wishes to Binod Atreya and his team for every success in the future.
As a long-term plan of BFIN, Dr. Atreya says that
Our dream is to run master's degree program in banking and insurance and transform BFIN into a world-class standard residential training institute. I would like to extend thanks to the regulators, banks and financial institutions, and our strategic partners for their active support and cooperation to make our journey successful.
BFIN is where the learning begins.